Hello everybody, in this video we're looking at how to create cheat-proof Google Forms exams. Now there's a couple things that we need to do to make these things as cheat-proof as possible. So here's what we need. First we need to turn on locked mode, then we'll need to shuffle the question order, then we'll make a copy for our different groups of students that we have throughout the day, then we'll schedule the form to open in Google Classroom, and then we'll schedule it to close with the form limiter add-on. So when we do all those things, we can really cheat-proof our Google Forms. So step one here is to turn on lock mode. This one's really easy. We just have to go to this little settings gear up in the top right corner of your form, and then go to the quizzes section, and then turn on locked mode. Next, this one's really easy too. In that same settings gear, we'll go over to the presentation tab and click on the box for shuffle the question order. Third is we're going to make a copy for each one of our different groups of students. So after we're done making our form and doing the first couple steps here, we'll make a copy. Again, just up in the three dots up in the top right, and we'll say make a copy, and we will name this one second period here, and we'll say OK. Next, we'll want to schedule to open the quiz in Google Classroom. So we'll post it an assignment and schedule to open at a certain time. Then we can schedule the assignment, the Google form to close at a certain time, meaning students wouldn't even be able to get into it after the time that we set. So we're going to find the form limiter add-on here, and then we're going to go ahead and install it. And we go into the add-ons menu and pull up form limiter here, and then we'll change the form type to date and time. And then we'll just set whatever date and time that we want for the form to close. Again, once that time passes, nobody will be able to get into that form after that time. All right. Then we have it set, and that time is all good, and we can customize the message there if we want, but we'll just go ahead and save that time there. Okay. Now, once all those steps are done, now we have a secure quiz. And here's what the final version will look like from the student side. So when they go in to take their test here, notice in locked mode, it makes it full screen. There's no other tabs they can go to or anything like that. They only have that exit quiz button. All right. Another good thing too is if somebody tries to take a screenshot with the keyboard shortcut, it is disabled. If they try to take a screenshot the other way with Control-Shift and the window switch button, that one which lets you kind of select a spot to take a screenshot, either way, notice what happens here. I'll try to take a grab of that section right there, that question. That type is still disabled. All right, so there's no way for students to take screenshots of the quiz that they did.